like 3 points, 2 points.
Well,
Two good things, three important things.
Reliability.
do me a favor. Call us back next week, and we'll go.
Yeah, we'll go
through that.
I mean, reliability, of course, concealability, depending on what you're going to do with it.
And comfortability. I've always said that because you'll never fire anything that you're not comfortable with.
And no matter what, it has to fit you. I mean, if it fits you and you like it, it could be great.
Yeah.
I could take it. My friend, I've said this many times. He had one particular gun. He was having a heck of a time shooting it. I took it one shot. I put it dead nuts in the axe, and he sold it to me.